Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about sweet relief glycogen, and we'll find out that this product is a good product or just another scam here. Okay, so now let's talk about the trust pilot, and I try to now let's talk about the scam advisor. So here this website, this their founding, it's pretty fine. This is not a scam because the rating is okay. Right, here you can say small risk identified, but the what's a negative? The identity of the owner of the website is hidden. Okay, so that's a concern because of course the identity should be shown. The Tranco rank, how much traffic is rather low. Maybe the customers doesn't like this product, which we can see here in the reviews. This product didn't got even 4-star review. That let's go and talk about the 1-star here. The ad is very confusing. Buy three. Okay, the pricing. Okay, there are hundreds of ads for various product of same wording, several reference, Shark Tank, and two female MIT students. They are totally fiction, so of course they are faking it. There's no Shark Tank or no MIT students. Scam, stay away. Show one price on website, charges another, then won't refund. Customer support is in Philippines. Useless. The worst scam I ever encountered. I have been waiting for refund since. At last second, I changed my mind due to the many bad reviews. I hope I don't get the charge. I cannot claim on the Better Business Bureau. Okay, now let's go and find out in the Better Business Bureau here. And here we can just look for this website. Okay, and this is a government website if you don't know. So yeah, this is Sweet Relief. And now let's talk about oh my god, there are 68 complaints closed in last 3 years, 68 complaints closed in last 12 months, and I want to read the complaints here. Okay, I ordered a Sweet Relief as seen as a video a couple of months. Today I received 2 more bottles in the mail. I did not order and no paperwork with it, so I'm returning it. Okay, that's a good thing, but here you can see there's a lot of complaints on this website. I went to Amazon, and now let's talk about the 1-star here. False claim. I bought this product thing. It was endorsed by Dr. O'Neill. Okay, so this is completely fake. Okay, they are doing wrong advertisement and everything. Okay, you have been taking the supplement since June. I feel no change or inflammation, or definitely noticed no change in my blood pressure. Okay, the same thing, I found the same ratings in the Walmart. If you just go to Walmart here, I received an MP package and a happy and still in pain. Maybe the customers are not happy with the product. The product could be a legit one, but the promises what they are saying, it's completely fake, right? And that's the thing, because it's available in Walmart, then of course they are selling the product, but I think they will not be able to sell for longer period of time because they're not fulfilling what they're promising, as well as the pricing is different to different in every website. Right here it's around $21 if I just go to Amazon here, right? And here this is something else, right? So this is completely a bad thing. The advertisement is completely wrong, so I will advise you, here you can see it's around $27, right? So it's completely up to you that you want to buy this or not. If you want to buy, you can just go to this website and you could buy. But I hope, because you can see all these reviews are completely correct and they are not fulfilling the promises. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.